Hi, the most beautiful saris in the world are manufactured in Banaras. Today we are going to show you some very special saris of Deepam Banarasi collection. These saris are specially created by our designer team and manufactured by our special Banarasi master weavers. This sari is very special. This is the same weaver, the same master weaver who has done Deepika, the Bollywood star Deepika wedding sari. He has done this sari also. This is a pure Banarasi bridal red color sari. It has got lovely motifs all over jal in the body, and it has got a cute traditional border. It has got a lovely pallu, and this sari is specially created for Deepam by our Banarasi master weaver, and Banaras, the best saris in the world are made in Banaras. Today we are going to show you few of the best Deepam's Banarasi collection saris.
Today's second sari of Deepam. This is Munga Tassar Banarsi silk sari, which is specially made for Deepam. This sari design is very unique. The color of the sari is beige, golden color with beautiful multicolor paisley in it. You could see it has very beautiful lotus leaf or like pastel shades used in it, and with very beautiful contrast border which gives a very different look. It has a small pink piping and a orange color. The pallu is with complete zari, orange color, rust orange color, with beautiful crepe silk blouse with golden border. This sari is very light, easy to wear. This is third sari of Deepam. This Banarsi Georgette is very specially done for Deepam. This has got a very exclusive body design. You could see it has a flower buta all over the body. The body color is sea green with a very nice neon pink border with complete light gold zari weave in it, fine zari weave. The pallu is again with neon pink with rich beautiful pallu. The blouse is contrast with the border. You can make a design as you want, like you can make a nice heavy work done on it for your party's occasion. Today's fourth sari of Deepam. This is a very premium quality of Banarsi silk georgette with very elegant traditional color combination, which is made by our Banarsi weaver only for Deepam. This sari has got all over traditional buttas and very fine contrast red color Banarsi traditional border. You can see it has a very rare design on the border, which is very rich and elegant, complete antique zari weave on the pallu. The blouse is contrast with red and traditional border. You can use this on a festive because it's a very elegant festive color. Today's fifth sari of the day. This is a very good silk Banarsi Georgette with ivory color, double color contrast. You could see it has a nice green and pink color combination with antique zari weave on the border. The complete sari has got buttas, flower buttas all over the body. The pallu is beautiful with pink and green combination with fine zari weave. Our Banarsi saris are worldwide famous from Deepam. The contrast of the sari is pink blouse with antique zari border. Today's sixth sari of the day from Deepam, pure silk georgette, Banarsi georgette with very elegant rare color combination. The body color is a nice rose pink. It has a beautiful butta all over the sari. The border has got a nice light fuchsia pink with elegant fine zari border, and we have made a very different pallu with nice floral motif all over the pallu, which is very beautiful, very designable. And the blouse is light rose pink with again fuchsia light pink border. This can be worn on any occasion. This is one of my favorite sari. This makes you look very slim, very lightweight, very comfortable to wear. Today's seventh sari of the day from Deepam. It's a pure Banarsi silk georgette. The color of the sari is orangish peach with beautiful Mughal butta all over the body. When you see the zari buttas in the body, it is very different. The combination, the sari is with beautiful fuchsia pink. The sari is very elegant. The pallu is with dark fuchsia pink contrast pallu, and it has a nice floral motif on the pallu. The blouse is complementing the sari with plain fuchsia pink contrast with traditional Banarsi border. This sari is more like festive color. It's very easy to wear. Drapey fabric, lightweight. You can carry it for the whole day. Today's 8th sari of the day from Deepam. This is a beautiful Banarsi silk georgette with newly tissue finish on it. The body is got a nice Mughal butta with silver and gold zari. The border is got a very fine traditional Banarsi georgette border. The pallu is about 16 inches pallu. The pallu has a different motif with silver and gold pattern. This fabric is very light, and in georgette first time we have tried with tissue concept. The blouse is peachish with tissue and a beautiful border. It's very comfortable and elegant color. Today's 9th sari of the day from Deepam. It's a pure Banarsi silk georgette. The color of the sari is shaded. On top we have a nice strawberry pink. The shading of the sari is with a beautiful royal purple color combination. The sari is got a floral jal design all over the body. The border is very elegantly done with beautiful gold zari with zigzag pattern. And to enhance the sari, it has a self golden color, rich pallu with a very beautiful royal purple background. The blouse is complementing the sari with a plain pure silk georgette fabric with a very different designer border for the blouse. This sari is very lightweight, easy to carry. You could wear it for any occasion like festive, for occasions like wedding and etc. These saris are available at both of our branch, at Jayanagar and the other one at MG Road.
This is the 10th sari of the day and one of the most beautiful sari. This sari has gone through very special processing. The sari first, the yarn, the georgette yarn goes from Bangalore and it is woven in Banaras with a special jari effect on the body. Then from Banaras we send the sari for Delhi for this special 3-color dyeing effect. The sari starts with a purple, then you get a turquoise, light turquoise, dark turquoise, again it ends with a purple. So this special dyeing is done at Delhi. From Delhi we send the sari to Jaipur for the special bandhani effect which is there in the body. You have a 2-color bandhani, you have a white color bandhani and you have a yellow color bandhani. For this special effect, the sari goes to Jaipur and this effect is done. Then this sari, border of the sari is made in Kanchipuram. This border and the pallu is woven in our Kanchipuram looms. It has got a lovely elephants on either sides of the border, especially created and woven by our Kanchipuram weavers. Then the border and the pallu is attached to the sari which is woven in Banaras, dyed in Delhi and worked in Jaipur, and all put together this make a unity of India. This is a very special sari. Like this we have some special hand-picked saris at both our showrooms in MG Road and Jayanagar. If you want to see these saris, you can make a pre-appointment on our customer care number 9886041100. We will show you some very exclusive sarees, or else you can visit our showrooms to see these sarees. Thank you.